Alright guys, here's the deal. Brought back an impact driver from the States, and the bits here in Japan are not fitting it. They just slide right out. So the distance between the slots are different. So this is an American one, it slips right in, no problem. So what I did is I ended up grinding down one side of the Phillips head to make it about the same size, so the slots will be about the same. So that will lock into place. Then I got this little adapter from the local hardware store. Here's a little view of the inside. It has a lock on one side, fits on there nice and tight, and this side is adjustable. And there you go, you can use your drill. And here you can see how expensive the impact drills are.